About 3 meters down the river, Andrew Anthony returns from fishing. We waited patiently until his canoe got his cane docks. Andrew has been fishing since childhood, but recent decline in catch is a cause for concern.
When you first, it means you're mupa. But this time, we say they pay or more pension or more yanis. I said, I'm back until almost you know, almost 9 more with the comma. Anyway, I don't know, we don't know friends. We need tilapia. No, we super. Super.
Every Monday is a market day, and Andrew could get about 2,000 cedis in a month. But then things started to change.
In the past, I used to get every market day at least 5 million. But for now, this thing over here, it can't reach even 3 million. I have a wife and kids. So if I didn't get this market day, I didn't get that, there's a problem. The children will not get food, my wife too, and myself. So anytime I have to force and get the one that we eat.
Ibrahim Mohammed just got back from fishing down the river. One of his customers, Eunice Sekwe, is already waiting at the bank, but there was no good fishing for Ibrahim.
Lokacin buzi na fita kama kifi. Hali yau nazo na kama kifi na nazo na kai hali yau yanzu lokacin buzi na muna samu kudi amma yanzu dai in ka samu kifi na ma baka samu kudi ka gan kudi bai saya.
In the past, we get more fish and we make a lot of money. But now the story has changed and we earn little such that we cannot afford our daily meals.
Ba kwanan ga mana dare yana zuwa muna samu kadan guda-gudan ga mama muna ganin guda-gudan ga to ba mu san lasin shi kan da zai zo ya juye muna kan da mu ma mu yi mu ci.
First no die omutiminya na yanso yeto se omunya kura omunya eyedin.
They were able to get more fish and we buy from them, but now it is difficult for them.
First na kami ntimi nsu anam krampo. Se die kwata.
The Black Volta has provided livelihoods to hundreds of people who live along it, but the growth of algae and presence of plastic waste prove that it suffers from bad human influence. In recent months, water levels have not only declined, they have also changed from crystalline to multicolored. Household pollution continues to threaten the life of this water, which has sustained hundreds of lives for years. Open defecation along the banks is common because residents say there is no public place of convenience for them.
They defecate around. Strangers who don't find toilet facilities also defecate along the bank of the river.
Duka urobo binga da abu mutetenga duka na fadi ruwa muna shanga. Ba lafiya kenan ba.
All the plastic waste that they throw into the river is a major concern. I mean, it is not good for us. It is important for us to have a toilet facility here. Women also wash clothes along the banks to raise money for their livelihoods.
Laura, chuna, okoye chuna nyuchulu nga water. Laura kabishile na ameyili. Amaka kiare adayona kari futa kabre echu amne de sinfiegba ayurpu benamba ba amankwa ko be yurpia na namba ja febre piabre amafu kafo
We need external support to curb the situation. If you speak against dumping of refuse into the river, they will never take you serious. They will even say you are wicked. So there is nothing you can do about it.
But the hardest hit are those whose livelihood come from the water, the fishermen like Andrew and Ibrahim. Associate Professor of Fisheries and Aquaculture at Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, Daniel Ajay Boateng says the Central Gonja District Assembly should activate its bylaws to stem the tide.
District assemblies have bylaws on open defecation, on washing of rivers, and these bylaws have to be enforced so that the community members are prevented from washing directly in the river and also defecating along the banks of the river. So district assemblies must enforce their bylaws.
Fish alone supplies about 60% of protein needs, which is why Professor Boateng would like to see action taken immediately.
Fish is important to Ghanaians because fish supplies about 60% of the protein requirements. If you look at chicken, beef, pork, poultry, fish alone supplies Ghanaians with 60%. So fish is very important in our diets, and we've seen this decline happening. A lot of the fishermen, when you point this out to them, they will tell you over the years we've seen a decline in the quantity we catch and the sizes. So the fishermen can also play an important role by forming an association and then ensuring that their members use the appropriate gear. They don't use unapproved methods and the chemicals for fishing. And if this is done, it will go a long way. Our district assemblies will also help prevent the use of unapproved methods and chemicals.
Aside from protein, fisheries and aquaculture offer many opportunities to reduce hunger, poverty, generate economic growth, and ensure that natural resources are better used. However, pollution, open defecation along the banks, and even washing of clothes could continue to reduce fish stocks for future generations. A report by Mohammed-Nurudeen.